All right, let's begin. So what I'm going to do today is very simple basically. I'll be writing deployment pipeline for my Kali project. Right now, I have not written any deployment pipeline for it. So I have to manually deploy after every single change. So basically, for example, yesterday I got a PR raised on Kali. So what I had to do was merge the PR and then manually deploy it. So today I'll be adding the deployment pipeline into my Kali project, and most probably I'll be moving my previous deployments also to Docker based deployments. So yeah, let's begin. Let's begin. And first things first, there are several screens running. Yeah, great. So my main thing is dropped. Next is okay. I still have sudo yeah, there we go. Alright, let's go later on. Let's do one thing first. Alright, let me actually create a new window of item. Or maybe leave it. Cool. Let's see what all projects do I have here. Let's first move Kali to Docker system. Cool. Alright. Let's write a Docker file for my Kali backend first. Node module and test. Test will be ignored. .env you can ignore. Alright, anyway, .env won't be here. Great. Alright, let me check. Cool. Worker app. copy every single package file over here. Next, run npm install, then copy everything. Init expose port, right? Okay, wait a second. Into ls. Conf. What is the port that I'm using over here for backend? It is 5000. Expose 5000. Right. And the next thing is, what else do we need here? What is my, okay, it is just start. Cool. This is the basic Docker file, very basic Docker file, which we'll be using to run. Right. Next thing is, okay, let me get the stream set up here. Right. Next thing that we need is a Docker compose file. First flag is services, that is Kali backend build using current environment, right? Then you expose the ports. All right. I need to expose environment variables. Okay, अभी के लिए let's keep it like this. Next property is restart. Unless stopped. Do not restart unless stopped. Then deploy. All right, delay 5 seconds will be more than enough. Next thing is you need to expose the networks also, right? I need driver. All right. Let's keep it. I'll keep its name external for now. All right. And let's see what bridge. You don't see what a bridge network is. It is over here. It should be over here in Docker networking. Yeah. These containers can communicate with each other. Do I need it? Let's do one thing. Let's do it to Kali network, right? And what else? All right, you can use Doppler, right? Yeah, here it is. First of all, cool. What else do I need? I also need to enable Docker. Wait a second. It should be something like Docker compose. Compose an auto command. That's strange. Docker help. Alright, let's do one thing then. Let's do it. Docker file co. Where is my browser? Alright, I need to go here. 20 Alpine. Right, this would work. 20 Alpine, and I need to install Doppler over here, which is for Alpine. This is it. Cool. Okay. Alright, let's do one thing for now. Let's not use Doppler for now, and instead rely on this. We will we anyways having it over there in our EC2, right? So we can just what, let's do one thing. env file, let's keep it as .env. Alright, and networks is written. Restart policy is done. Restart and let's stop. This is my backend service, and yeah, that is pretty much it. This exposes the port. Okay, this is what I have. We can do more things like in.compose, like we can basically add replicas configuration, but this doesn't make any sense for now because the EC2 we are using is the smallest, so it'll anyways have only one vCPU, so it doesn't make sense to create any replicas for it. So yeah, since we have this, let's try one thing actually. Yeah, this is done, right? Docker compose up, and what next? It is Docker compose up, and wait a second, it's the command. One second, I must have it in Obsidian. Why is this saying so? Alright. Able to get image carryback information and add by connecting to Docker daemons. It's building, and let's see. have my container up and running. What's happening over here is this. What just happened? It got stuck over here, but using a lot of CPU. Is it using a lot of CPU or what? Let's see. Let's see in last 1 second and let's see maximum usage. Oh, okay, all right. Yes, it is using, I think. Let's just close this connection and wait for the CPU usage to go down. Okay, it touched 100 as expected. Alright, I think I need to restart the EC2. It couldn't handle the load this much. No worries, let's do one thing then. Or else let's do one thing, let's wait for the usage to come down and then we can proceed deploying. Until then, let's do one thing. I can write the deployment pipeline for my Kali backend. Right. So, need a name till now. Steps now. One is checkout is action. Checkout at V3. Next, all I need is and deploy. What is this saying? What's the error over here? It is running jobs. Deploy runs on this. Then comes the steps thing. Comes steps, then I have name checkout. It is actions slash checkout. Yeah. With this host username, okay, we can simply make it. I'm going to. This is the key. Script is this. Then, or you can simply do this. This will anyway throw an error. Yeah, what's the issue? I have steps. second. What's the issue here? It runs on this. Oh, alright, is it this? Yes. This is a single job, so that's why it was giving me error. Got it. Oh, geez, the CPU user is coming down now. This is actually what I need. I've added this. Still any update on issues? Nope. Cool. All I need to do is push this deployment pipeline and it would work. It should work actually. So yeah. What is the CPU usage status on maximum? Right now it is still stable at 100. Alright. Let's wait for some time and then we can see how's it going. Constant on 91. Great. This is done. All right. What if I want to serve rented from Docker? What then? think this is still giving me issues. Most probably the EC2 won't get stable on its own. I'll have to restart the instance for. I think there are 90% chances that I'll have to restart this instance. So yeah, let's wait for some time and then we can see how it goes. Alright, so next thing is, once we've added this, and okay, the thing over here is we cannot rely on .env file because .env file won't be present in my pipeline. So I'll have to use Doppler anyways, right? Now the thing is, how do you use Doppler? Let's read the documentation. Alright, I think Docker compose will be the best way. Don't resist the levels. Try accessing information as the account was created by. Alright. Comments access to account prepared. My project used access to. Alright, let's create a Doppler account then. That's good. I can basically store it here, right? Cool. So let's do one thing. Let me just remove everything from here. Let's basically delete this. And I'll delete this. Cool. Let's move to .env file over here. First things first, it will be what is the next secret? It is Google OAuth client. Secret just goes here. This is where it goes. And I'll just save this. Alright, this is going fine, I guess. Let's add one more secret. Another secret will be Google OAuth redirect URI becomes Hey Lakshay, fine bro, what about you? Alright, what is the next? It is AWS region. What is the region? It is US East 1. US East 1. What is next? It is JWT expiry is done. What is my JWT expiry? It is 30 days. And one will be database URL. Right. Let's do one thing. Now let's make it a string. Cool. save it, and yeah. Alright, one more thing that I need is what? Wait a second, what if I do one thing which is let's just remove SSL mode. Alright, that will help me. Cool, let's do one more thing which is great. And I don't want to expose these accidentally on my screen, so I'll make these as non-accessible, and yeah, that works perfectly fine, I guess. What next we need to do for Doppler is what we need to do here. Go to project and select the config. Click on generate. Click the access tab and click on generate. All right. Great. Generate service token. I need only read permission. Expire token. No, don't need any expire. Name will be this requirement. Let's go here and secrets. I can add this. Cool. This is also added. Since I've added the service token in my file, next thing I need is I want it in this my services, right? So it will be, where is my VS Code? Let me just close this. Yeah. Doppler token works great. Right, once I've added the Doppler token, I'll be able to get everything from Doppler, right? Next thing is an environment. Okay, I have to inject my secrets, right? So expose as a Doppler token. Works fine. Then I have, if you're using multiple services in your compose file, you need to pass in multiple Doppler tokens. You can Do the mapping. This is done. I don't need this container in view of already with these doctors. Variables Docker compose with each container explicitly defining which environment variables they wish to receive. The benefit of this approach is that Docker composes does this in production. Okay. Got it. Container. Alright. So I just have to do what? Okay, I'm not getting one thing over here. How does Docker know what is my exact? Okay, let me go to Jenkins first. Let's read Jenkins. Nope, doesn't make sense for me. Automated syncs. Does it have automated syncs? GitHub Actions. Yeah, we have GitHub Actions over here. Cool. Git environment, GitHub. All right. Just chill on 100%, man. Okay, I've added it here. let's ask GPT for help now. Okay, that's not what I need, man. I gotta give it the whole thing again. Alright, let's see what it does. Alright, so all I need to do is basically download Doppler into my EC2 instance, and then I can simply use this command to export it into a .env file, right? Is this how it works? Let's see. This is mounting the file. I don't need to mount, I need to download. Yeah, there we go. Great, got it. What is my secret? Secret is download access key. Right, so my deploy.yml will be updated basically, which is this. This is the command that will save my .env file, and yeah. Cool, this will work. I'm just waiting for my instance CPU users to come down if it does. If it does not, I'll restart it tomorrow, not today. Yeah, I'll have to restart it tomorrow, most probably. Yeah, it is what, 20 to 30. No worries. Why do I have all this? Okay, got it. What I can do is I don't need dev in all these environments, so I'll just delete these environments. I don't need staging. Cool, Quizzy will be down now, most probably. This will be down. Reason being, I have stopped the backend server. Kali would be. Is Kali up or not? Kali will be down, most probably. Yeah, it is down. About password manager. That is also down, most probably because the instance is not working fine. So every single of my projects as of now is down because I have to. Yeah, I think moving the deployments to Docker is a good decision over here because most of the space is being occupied by my language servers. Then post that I can basically delete node and npm from my EC2. Golang I have deleted. So yeah. Cool. Do we have any new? Nope. Alright. That's good. I don't think there's any sense of pushing this current deployment pipeline to GitHub because it won't be running anyways on my instance. So yeah, not pushing this as of now, but I'll push it tomorrow. Other things, Docker Compose over here. Cool, yeah, that is it for today. We would have done a lot more if the EC2 didn't go down. And I don't wanna follow all that hassle right now to first restart the instance, then update my IPs over my DNS configuration and everywhere. So yeah, I will be continuing this tomorrow. And tomorrow I'll most probably be moving my front end also to Docker deployment. Cool. Thanks for watching. Good night. Bye bye. And yeah, that's it for today.